Sabay-sabay tayong namangha at 8:18. Napakahusay talaga. Kapamilya, gusto lang po naming sabihin na no animal was harmed in this performance. Yes. No animals.
Uy, hindi ko anima.
Okay. Pero napakahusay ng ginawa mo. Pakinggan natin ang komento ng ating mga hurado. Let's start with you, Miss Oge.
Hindi pa rin sila makapaniwala. Miss Oge, Judge Eugene.
Really, really impressive.
Thank you so much po.
When we talk about magic, ikaw yon, Carl.
Thank you, Ma'am Eugene.
Maraming salamat, Judge Eugene. Judge Kath.
Carl, I did not expect that from you. That performance, wow, ang galing mo. Like, you know yun sa dog pa lang, so sabi ko, magbibigay ako kasi never ko na-post yung or na-announce na may name, meron akong aso na tungsten. Tapos, biglang ganito. So, hindi ko alam kung paano mo yung nagawa. Parang dinadala mo kami sa ibang mundo through your magic.
Thank you so much po,
And
Miss
lahat
Kat.
kami, wow, from your first trick hanggang sa last, you're very consistent. And thank you for sa pagpapa-experience sa amin. And thank you for the puppy.
Because of you, trending na si Tungsten.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat. How about you, Judge Donnie?
Carl, grabe. You know, you really came well prepared. You really knew what you wanted to show us. And sobrang klaro na you wanted to confuse us at the very beginning. And that's really exactly what happened. Until the end, meron palang ganun na mangyayari. Kaya props to you, bro. Ang masasabi ko, your dad would be very proud.
Thank you so much, Sir Donnie.
Thank you so much, Judge Donnie. Judge FMG.
Wala na akong masabi. Ang galing mo talaga.
Thank you, sir.
That's more than enough. Maraming salamat sa ating judges. Just quickly, pag sinabi ni Miss Eugene na pag sinabi magic, ikaw agad din naisip, anong naramdaman mo?
Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, Miss Eugene. Thank you so much po.
At thank you so much sa performance na binigay mo.
Thumbs
Kung
up
napabalik
sa'yo!
din kayo sa ginawa ni Carl ngayong gabi at sa tingin nyo, deserving siya makapasok sa final showdown, hanapin nyo lang ang picture niya at i-click ang pangalang Carl Keon.
Thank you so much, Carl Keon. Mamaya makakasama natin ang huling dalawang acts na bibida sa huling gabi ng semifinals.
Sa pagbabalik yan ng Pilipinas Got Talent!